Hi, I'm Tanya from Elite Pilates Teacher Training, and today I'm going to speak to you about breathing in Pilates. So there's different kinds of breathing that we can do in Pilates, and sometimes people can get very fixated on the breath, but for beginners it's just a case of breathe. Often we'll get people in the class that they're so busy focusing on the breath that they're either not getting the moves correctly, or they're losing track of what's happening, or they'll end up holding their breath. So yes, the breath is important, but you will learn more about the breath as you go on. So for a complete beginner, the first thing I would say about the breath is just breathe. So I'm going to do more videos to take you through what we call correct Pilates breathing or lateral thoracic breathing. I will do another video on that. But for the main part of it, it's just to introduce breath to you. And the most important part about breathing when you're a complete beginner or a beginner, or anybody actually, is to just breathe. It's important not to hold your breath, especially if you do suffer from high blood pressure, because that can elevate your blood pressure. So with whatever you're doing, and whatever Pilates class you go to, just don't hold your breath and just keep breathing. So that is a very basic, very easy to understand introduction to Pilates and the breath that goes with Pilates. But I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on the next video, which is lateral thoracic breath. So that's me again, Tanya from Elite Pilates Teacher Training, and have a good day. Bye.